adequate life cover and investments that generate inflation beating returns are the two basic factors to help you be financially worry free. Will Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan help you fulfill your medium and long term financial goals such as your child's education or your retirement planning? In this video, let us find out whether this plan protects your financial dreams at various stages of life without making any compromises. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Tata AIA Diamond Savings Plan is a non-linked participating individual life insurance savings plan. Let us discuss the features, death benefit, survival benefit and maturity benefit, and also we shall figure out the potential return of the plan and compare it with other products. First, features. There is a life cover provided for the entire policy term. There is a flexibility in choosing premium paying term and policy term. After the premium paying term ends, you will be receiving guaranteed income. You can get a vested compound revisionary bonus and terminal bonus if any on maturity or death. Life cover could be enhanced with optional riders. This policy is eligible for tax benefit under Section 80C. Next, we shall move on to the benefits we get from the Tata AIA Diamond Savings Plan. Death benefit. On the death of the life insured during the policy term, death benefit is equal to sum assured on death plus vested compound revisionary bonus if any plus terminal bonus if any. This total amount will be subject to a minimum of 105% of the total premiums received up to the date of death. Here, the sum assured on death shall be highest of the following: 11 times the annualized premium, sum assured on maturity, or absolute amount assured to be paid on death. Next, survival benefit. Provided your policy is still in force and all due premiums have been paid, a guaranteed income as a percentage of assured benefit shall be paid. You can refer the table here. The percentage depends on the policy term and the premium paying term. It ranges between 10 and 25%. You will start receiving the income benefit from the end of a premium paying term. Next, maturity benefit. The following benefit shall be paid on survival till maturity. Sum assured on maturity, which is equal to the last guaranteed income installment payable on maturity, plus vested compound revisionary bonus if any, plus terminal bonus if any, expressed as a percentage of assured benefit. Next, let us check out the advantages and disadvantages of Tata AIA Diamond Savings Plan. Advantages. Yes, large scale discount will be applicable on premiums for policyholders opting for a larger premium. Flexibility is available in choosing your premium paying mode. Either it could be annual, half yearly or quarterly or monthly modes. Flexibility of additional coverage by adding riders to the base policy. Policy loan is available subject to a maximum of 80% of the surrender value. Next, disadvantages. Any change in the basic sum assured is not allowed post inception of the policy. The tax benefit on maturity that comes under Section 1010D does not apply to policies having a premium amount exceeding Rs 5 lakhs payable for any one of the previous years during the policy term. This rule applies to the policies issued after 1st April 2023. So far, we have covered all the necessary information that you need to know about Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan. But this information is not enough to determine whether this insurance policy suits you. So, let us find out the internal rate of return for Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan using a benefit illustration provided on Tata AIA Life Insurance website. If a 35-year-old male buy this plan for a sum assured of Rs 11 lakh, the policy term is 25 years and the premium paying term is 12 years, the annual premium is Rs 1 lakh. If you pay a premium of Rs 1 lakh in the first 12 years, then in the next 13 years, you will be receiving an income benefit of Rs 88,056. Along with the final payment, you will be receiving a bonus, that is compound revisionary bonus and terminal bonus if any. The bonus percentage varies year after year. The given illustration has been determined using the assumed future investment rate of return of 4% and 8%. These rates are not guaranteed. The IRR in the best case scenario is 6.69% and the worst case scenario is 2.67%. The internal rate of return is not an inflation beating one. and the life cover is not sufficient in Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan. The best case scenario IRR seems to be better, but it is not advisable to lock the funds at this rate for the long term, such as the policy term is 25 years. It is important to note that each year the bonus rate varies. Tata AIA Diamond Savings Plan is not beneficial in the long run. So let us look for other options and compare. Since the Tata AIA insurance plan has both a life cover and investment option, we can assume a pure term life insurance policy for life cover and other investment vehicle for corpus accumulation. Let us assume a 35-year-old male buys pure term insurance for a sum assured of rupees 11 lakh for a 25 years cover. The annual premium to be payable for 10 years is rupees 12,500. Out of rupees 1 lakh, the balance amount of rupees 87,500 can be invested based on your risk. Here we assume this amount is invested in PPF and ELSS. The earlier illustration shows an annual income benefit of rupees 88,056. That is, there was a survival benefit from 13th year. Similarly, at the end of accumulation phase, that is after 12 years, the corpus is invested in a 7% return instrument and the same amount is withdrawn each year. Here the IRR post-tax return for pure term plus PPF works out to be 6.38% and for pure term plus ELSS option works out to be 8.27%. These rates are comparatively better than Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan. Under the ELSS option, the IRR provides an inflation-beating return in the long run. ELSS also offer liquidity, which is missing in Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan, where you get the bonus only at the end of policy term, that is 25 years. So it is always better to invest separately for your financial goals. Final verdict on Tata AIA Diamond Savings Plan. Tata AIA Life Insurance Diamond Savings Plan offers a few key benefits to the policyholder, such as life cover, savings, regular income after the premium paying term. But an investor can get these benefits through numerous investment vehicles that are already available in the market. It is simply a traditional life insurance product. Moreover, the IRR is also not convincing enough to invest in this product, which will lock your hard-earned money for 25 years without producing a good return at the end. Pure term insurance does not have an investment component to it like this policy, but you can get a high coverage at a low premium. Choose your investments depending on your life's financial goals, risk appetite, and time horizon. You can always consult with your financial advisor to build a diversified investment portfolio that is fully customized according to your financial goals. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website, and the link for the same is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.